There are two different ways your phone can receive an emergency alert. There's an opt-in alert, like Code Red or Reverse 911, where you have to sign up for alerts at your address. Or there are wireless emergency alerts, or WIA, the system that geo-targets cell phones in a certain area and blasts out a warning with that annoying tone. On Sunday, both opt-in alerts and WIAs went out about tornadoes, but none of them went to the part of Elbert County hardest hit, the Elkhorn Ranch neighborhood.
This was a landspat at first. It really do pop up out of nowhere.
9 News Weather Impact senior meteorologist Chris Bianchi says the reason no alerts went out is the National Weather Service never issued a warning for that area.
When it first developed, there was no clear signature on radar. There was nothing other than the visual on the ground.
See that tornado?
Bianchi says our Corey Rappenhagen spotted the storm around 1:10 p.m. The National Weather Service automatically blasts out a WIA when a tornado warning is issued. Records show a WIA went out at 1:12 p.m., just north of Elkhorn Ranch when the storm was moving out.
I think a lot of people at the Weather Service, that's when they were able to take action. But by that point, that storm had already moved up into Arapahoe County.
Elbert County tells me their opt-in alerting system automatically sends warnings from the National Weather Service. And since there was no warning in Elbert County, there was no Code Red. As the storm moved north, the radar image improved, and so did the warning.
That's why the Bennett tornado was well warned.
I just got this alert on my phone.
Ronnie Turner in Bennett told me it came just in time.
Yeah, no, it saved my life. I probably would have been out here.
Bianchi says as much as people want to blame someone, there's not much blame to go around.
In my opinion, there's nobody at fault here. But the science is not there yet. We don't know where and when a landspat tornado is going to form.
So we also heard from people today who are within 10 to 20 miles and wondered why they didn't get a wireless emergency alert about these tornadoes. The truth is, that's the system working the right way. If your phone is not in that geo-targeted area, emergency officials aren't going to try to warn you there. And over-warning people can lead to problems like alert fatigue. That's when people turn off emergency alerts because they get too many that don't apply to them. I'm Steve Stager. Steve on your side, 9 News.